We're going to create a duotone design today, and we're going to use this beginning with the channels. Click on the image, go to the Channels tab, and choose which of the colors has the most contrast. In this case, we're going to use the green layer. Load the selection by holding Control and clicking on the thumbnail, or load at the bottom of the channels. In the Layers tab at the bottom, choose Adjustment Layer, then Solid Fill, and choose the color that you like. For the second step, we just need to add another solid color adjustment layer, so we don't have to go to the channels for the second part. Now this is going to be your darker colors. The first color was for your highlight layer, and so this is for your darker colors. So in this example, you'll need to choose a darker color that will really help the image stand out. Once you've selected your colors, you can then click on the thumbnail to choose a different color till you get the exact desired effect that you want in your duotone. To remove the background, let's select the subject with the Quick Selection tool at the top. Then there we go, and we can do the Quick Selection tool, and this will select it based on the pixels around it. So once we have our horse with the ants marching, we want to go to Select Inverse, because we don't want to change the horse, we want to change what's behind it. Then we're going to go to Edit, Fill. Under Contents, choose a solid color, and we're going to choose white, and click OK. Then Control D to stop the ants marching. From the beginning, choose the Channels tab and choose one of your green, yellow, or blue, and you need to load the selection. You can either click the dashed item at the bottom that the pink arrow is pointing to. Next, you're going to go to your Layers panel, and you're going to choose Adjustment Layer, Solid Color. Then you're going to use the color picker to fill a light color for your highlights. The second step, go back to your background and choose one more adjustment layer with a solid color. And now you can choose a second color for your duotone and click OK. If I want to add a border, I'm going to click on the very top layer and make sure you click on the image of the horse. Okay, so make sure if you see over there on the right, I have like a green icon for the color, and then I have a picture of the horse. So you have to make sure you're on the image layer right there. Then we're going to go to Edit and Stroke. In this example, I'm going to choose a stroke of about 100 pixels. I'm going to make it black with a linear burn. And again, I'm going to use the inside location and click OK. Control D to stop the ants marching. And now I also have a wonderful border for my duotone.